What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review the trailer of Tribhanga. So, Tribhanga is, I think, Tri means for three. So, the story revolves around three ladies from different walks of life. There is Kajal. Now, Kajal is one of the very well groomed and well mature character that honestly I feel like if she will play a lead role, she can totally edit the significance of or appearance of the hero in the movie. So she is all at her own, and you will really like her. There is a challenge between the women, how three levels of women are there: the mothers and the daughter, granddaughter. So what happens? The mother got into some sickness, and she is being criticized by the culture and the community for her priorities, whether she is embracing her priorities, because it's common in our culture that we always like to pinpoint anything without giving any kind of solution. So it happens with Tribanga also, that all these three ladies, they are having what is that, emotional battle between each other. So you can see that I feel like it is generation XYZ, like a 3 or 4 decades of generation, and how they think and how they take situations practically, emotionally. And moreover, you will see that Kajol is very well represented in this movie, because she really wanted to be something like give a good example. And especially right now there is a lot of issues that pertaining to the feminism going on, and yeah, I think right now it's giving a boost, strength, is women empowerment, and all these things really will be shown in this. That's why. And moreover, I feel like it's more about miscommunication and communication, that how the mothers communicate with the daughter and granddaughter, and what are the social what is that, social stress they go through. And especially for teenagers nowadays, it's very hard for them to cope up with all the challenges that they have. And especially if you have only women who are there for you and you don't have a man in the house, so there should be a father figure or something. So Kajol is playing here as a father figure, taking a pride in all the things that she does. So I hope you will really like this. Let's hope it will give a good result, and moreover, whatever the best we could learn, it will be much helpful. It's not only about what we see, but it's all about what we take with us. So kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Let's hope for the best. Bye bye.